Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the 403 forbidden error on your browser. So if a website refuses to load or keeps blocking you, just follow along step by step to solve it. All right, let's dive in. First, open your browser. Now, look at the top right corner and tap the three vertical dots. That's your menu button. From here, scroll down and select Settings. Once you're inside the Settings menu, tap on Privacy and Security on the top left side. Next, choose Third-Party Cookies and then select See All Site Data and Permissions. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Type in the name of the website that's giving you the 403 forbidden error. When it shows up in the list, tap the trash icon next to it. This clears the cache and stored data for that specific site, which often fixes the issue instantly. Next, we're going to check your browser extensions. On the bottom left side, click on Extensions. Go through your extensions and turn them off one by one. Sometimes extensions can block a website by mistake. After turning them off, go back to the site and see if the 403 error is gone. If you're still getting the same message, don't worry, there's one more thing you can try. Open the website using a different browser. If it loads correctly, then you know the problem is coming from your original browser and not the website itself. And that's it. These steps are the best and easiest way to fix the 403 forbidden error and get your website working again. If this tutorial helped you fix the problem, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more quick fixes like this.